Production introducing. FPB lightweight wall panel is a non-bearing wall material which both side surface are calcium silicate boards or cement fiber reinforcement boards, polystyrene granule, cement, coal ash, sand, and other additives as fillings materials inside. Construction process: U-type clamp, G-type clamp, steel bar, polystyrene foam, gridding cloth, mortar, wooden wedge, wheelbarrow, level, cutting saw, hammer, grouting machine, guiding rule, scraper, shovel, crowbar, electric drill, agitator, setting out and putting the panel in the right position, playing up and down lines at axis direction. Installing and fixing. Installing the first panel, fixing U-type on frame column. Smearing mortar on the bottom of the panel. Installing the first panel on position. Adjusting with glue. On top and bottom, all using fixed tools and U-type clamp. G-type clamp. At the situation that no need to decorate the ceiling, should use G-type clamp to instead of U-type clamp. Installing the second panel. Installing the second panel in position, making two panels in one flat using crowbar. Leveling two panels with crowbar and guiding rule. On top and bottom, all need to use U-type clamp to fix between two panels seam. When the last piece of panel is not fit with the wall or structure column, first should measure the size between panel with column. Cut the suitable panel. Using polystyrene foam filling with the seam between the panel and column, girder, wall, or panel, using scraper to cut the left polystyrene foam in level after 24 hours. Leveling the face of panel using anti-crack mortar. Dealing with the hole of windows and doors. Choosing the same thickness enhanced frame of holes of window and door with the panel. The capacity not less than 800 kilograms per cubic meter. When the height of the panel on the top of the hole of window or door is more than 600 millimeters. When the width of the hole of window or the door is more than 1.5 meters. Should reinforce the board of the lintel. Dealing with the column. When the width of the installing panel in the earthquake fortification area is more than 6 meters, should build the column and make the enhanced measures. Use the polystyrene foam filling the seam between the panel and the column. Dealing with the corner. Fixing the first and second panel with steel bar, filling with the polystyrene foam. Connecting the panel's vertical rotation, filling the stick mortar between the joining of two panels, using the steel bar connecting two panels in 45-degree angle. Closing crack. After installing the panel of dry work, waiting for 12 days, closing the crack using anti-crack mortar. Grouting mortar. After closing crack for 3 days, making holes on top of the panel using electric drill. Pouring the dedicated mortar using grouting machine. Pasting gridding cloth. After grouting mortar 15 to 20 days, pasting the gridding cloth in the joint groove using anti-crack mortar. The new upgrade FPB lightweight wall panel has the tenon and mortise structure which having the whole of grouting. through dry work assembling, realized fast installation, self-adjusting straight, portable, and efficient construction, controlling to produce the crack. After fully deformation and extending freely, injecting the dedicated expanding mortar. Panels connected more strong. It avoids crack happening. The special panel reserved groove when using the gritting cloth with anti-cracking mortar. The panel do not need to plaster, and face of panel is flatting. Wall decoration. FPB lightweight wall panel, no need plastering. Good working with many kinds of wall decoration materials. Painting and wallpaper can using after puttying, facing tile, and decorative plate can using directly on the wall. Until now, our company has been cooperated with Shandong High-Speed Group, China Resources Company Limited, China Overseas Company Limited. Meanwhile, our product has good market in Southeast Asia, Africa, Russia, the Middle East, South America, and so on. Longhe Energy Saving. Focusing on green building. Leading energy, saving age.